Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. That was a misclick, a huge misclick actually. Let's enter the camera app and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should basically disappear. So all we have to do right now is to enter the settings, which are at the top, of course in this configuration, at the top of this panel. So let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. Just tap on it, tap on reset, and as you can see we just got back to the camera and the green lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.